In this video we'll see how we can create sealed secret using the sealed secret controller which we have installed in our previous video. So as we saw, like in our previous video, we installed sealed secret controller on in our Kubernetes environment. Now it's time to create a sealed secret, right? So we take the help of kubectl CLI client tool. So this is the prerequisite for this one. So I encourage you to go ahead and install it. I have done it at my end, so I have given the steps in the same GitHub link of mine. I'll be giving it in the description. So here once you follow these steps to install the kubectl client, you can go ahead and check the version of kubectl. So in my case it is 0.18. so here it is 0. Latest one here we have here. Okay, so once we have this client side tool, now we can go ahead and generate sealed secrets. So for that I'll explain. I have this sample secret file. This is a dummy file. You can see I've taken some dummy secrets. Okay, so now we'll see how to do that. In last video we were discussing like this cubes for generating the secrets. We refer this controller which we have installed, so that once the secrets are generated, it is only this controller who can decode this secret, right? So no other controller, or you can say no other sealed secret controller installed on different environment can decrypt the secret generated using this one. So now I'll show you the command here. If you see kubectl, and the controller name is the sealed secret controller here, because in our video in our last video when we were setting up, we saw that the controller name is this sealed secret controller. Okay, and where is this controller running? It is running in kube system namespace, right? We installed this controller in kube system namespace, and we are pointing it the secret file to our new different namespace which we are working on. And for creating this sealed secret, the input is secret.yaml file. This secret.yaml file which has the passwords which are encoded using base64 format. Okay, and we are saying to generate a manifest file with the name sealed secret. So once we run this command, right, I have already run it, so it will generate this sealed secret file. Okay, if you see here now, this is completely encrypted using the sealed secret controller which we have installed in our Flux system namespace. Now what we have to do is we have to go ahead and apply this sealed secret in our environment. So we can do it using Flux. So I'll show you you know, when we start working with some other features of Flux CD, then I will keep this in our this deploy directory, and we can see how this will be pulled by Flux CD tool. But now I'll show you like manually applying it in our namespace. So what I'll do is first I'll check whether I have any secrets existing secrets or not. So if you see, I don't have any secrets, and I'll check if we have any sealed secrets in our namespace. So I'm currently on FluxCD tutorial namespace. So here we don't have any sealed secret and we don't have any secrets also. So now once we like apply this sealed secret to our namespace, then what happens is this Flux controller will decode this sealed secret and create secrets in our namespace. So there are two things. One is sealed secret and the other are secrets. Those, because sealed secrets, our other Kubernetes objects do not understand these sealed secrets. So to make use of these sealed to use these sealed secrets in our Kubernetes objects, what this controller does is it internally decodes this data and create secrets so that we can refer them in our other Kubernetes objects. Okay, so now we saw we don't have any secrets, we don't have any sealed secret in our namespace. So now I'll go ahead and apply this. Okay, it says it has created the sealed secret. Now if I go ahead and check, so we have sealed secret named my secret, which created 8 seconds ago. Now we'll see if we have any secrets. Okay, you see we have one secret which has two you can say two variables here, right? We have username and password. Now this secret can be mounted to other Kubernetes objects as a volume and so on, right? So I think this marks the end of this video. In this video we saw how we use this kubectl CLI command to create sealed secrets, and how we saw how this controller decodes that sealed secret and create secret files, secret objects, so that we can use this secret in our other Kubernetes objects. Now if you see, we have this kind of data now, this kind of manifest. Now this can be stored in our Git repository without any fear, because now this cannot be decoded by any other by any other means. So it is only this controller can decode this sealed secret, right? So that way we are like safe now to store our manifest file in our source of truth repository, right? So here I have like tried to collect the steps using which you can also check whether it has like really created the secrets which we have sealed using kubectl command or not. So these are some of the steps which you can try at your end. Okay, I think that's it for this video, and we'll use this knowledge to create secrets in our environment, and we play around with more features of FluxCD. Okay, so thank you for your time. See you in next video.